Kasi kung ano man yung sinasabi ng partner natin sa atin na na-offend tayo, let's not start with siya kasi ang may kasalanan. Let's start first with saan ba nanggagaling yung root ng offense. Marami akong mga nakikita na couples, ang nangyayari is yung lalaki, biniblame si babae or vice versa. Kasi ito yung ginawa niya, hindi siya sumusunod, hindi niya ako pinapakinggan. Pero kung titignan mo, yung nasa loob nila is actually hurts that came from their parents na hindi na-resolve. Pansinin nyo yung mga medyo naninigaw, yung mga minsan hindi nila na-check yung temper nila. In front of everyone, they will maybe shout at their spouse or meron silang gagawin na it's not in the ordinary na ginagawa natin. Pansinin nyo, madami sa kanila, meron silang problems with their parents na hindi nila na-resolve. So, there are times na hindi nila kasalanan yun because they were affected when they were still young. Pero kahit na hindi natin kasalanan, we are still responsible for it. Parang kotse, pag bilangga ka, hindi mo kasalanan, nabangga ka, pero you're still responsible for the damage of the car. Diba? At kailangan maging accountable, papaayos mo yan, and so on. So, minsan tayo yung nabangga, pero hindi natin naayos yung sarili natin. And napuno tayo ng bitterness, napuno tayo ng unforgiveness, napuno tayo ng pain. But it is our responsibility to break free from these things. Dahil pag hindi natin siya nagawa, it will remain in us forever and we will blame other people in circumstances na lumalabas na what's inside of us.